Okay, so today we will learn about the machinability. Okay, so machinability actually it is a terminology regarding uh, means how easy a workpiece can be machined. That is machinability. Means machine ability uh, ability to do for machining. Okay, or performing ability ability to machining. That is the machine ability. Means ability means how easy. Means how easy a material can be machined. Okay. So this machineability depends different factors and actually there is a means all the materials have a machinability index. Means from this machinability index you can get information that this material is this material at that actually that cutting condition a specified cutting condition that material is how easily can be machined. How easily can be machined means how easily the material can be removed from the workpiece. Okay, so so obviously, the machinery is the easy means how easy or how hard or means this is actually level of operations is the machining machining of the work is means you can perform the machining with very easily. Okay, or either it easily or to machine the workpiece or means machine the workpiece means remove the material from the workpiece. Easy it is easy or hard. So this maturity is actually uh, indicates that how easy the material can be machined. Okay, so this maturity is the easy with which a given material maybe work means maybe machine. Okay, work with a cutting tool. Okay, the machinery of material is usually defined in terms of four factors. Means this machinery is defined in terms of four factors. Means how easy means with respect to easy means it is means cutting of the material or some any other factors are there. And so during cutting less amount of force is supposed required. So this is also easy of machining of that material. Okay, and suppose during cutting your tool wear is less, so this is also easy of machinability. So like that there are actually four different factors that involved uh, in machinability. Okay, means that defined actually the machinability of the material. So what are those four factors? These four factors is surface finish. Means how much surface finish are you getting? Means you are machining a workpiece with easily. Suppose you are machining a workpiece with means less amount of force, so require less amount of force, less wiring out of the cutting tool, but getting a rough surface. So this is not the under consideration of machinability. Okay, so in machinability you have also considered the surface finish. Okay. Yeah. So this is actually machinery. So what are those four factors? First is surface finish. Means if the surface finish means more fine surface, means surface finish is better, then you can tell that the machinery is more. Okay, means uh, This surface finish actually indicates or define the machinability of the workpiece. Machinability is defined for the workpiece, not the tool, not the machine. Okay, मैशनिटी ऑफ व्हाट मैशनिटी ऑफ वर्क पीस और मटेरियल जिसको मैं मैशनिंग कर रहा हूँ उसका मैशनिटी कितनी है मैशनिटी किस टाइप की है मीन्स मैं इजीली मैशिंग कर रहा हूँ इजीली मीन्स व्हाट इजीली लेस फोर्स रिक्वायर्ड लेस अमाउंट ऑफ कटिंग फोर्स इज रिक्वायर्ड जो मैं टूल यूज कर रही हूँ उसका टूल वायर आउट ज़्यादा हो रही है कम हो रही है सरफेस फिनिश जो मुझे मिल रहा है वो सरफेस फिनिश बेटर सरफेस फिनिश मिल रहा है और less surface finish meter. And another factor that is that tool life that I've told wiring of the tool means that is the means function of the tool life. Means our tool ज़्यादा होगा then tool life obviously will decrease. Okay. And force and power required that I told. And another is level of difficulty in chip control. Means जो chip जो चिप रिमूव होगा तो मीन्स हाउ दे दो चिप्स कैन बी कंट्रोल मीन्स दी चिप्स आर means all the removed chips are like continuous chips and these chips can be easily controlled or the chips removed from the workpiece are like a brittle type means discontinuous chips or serrated type of chips and is these chips are getting stick with the surface of the tool and creating a tool wire like a crater wire तो मैंने previous class में बताया था so this means controlling of these chips this also depends on the and this is also the factors of machinability okay so upon these four factors we can say that this material have a more machinability or less machinability okay so so means if you say that this material have a good machinability so what does it indicate so good machinability means good machinability indicates that good surface finish. Obviously, means surface finish of what? Surface finish of workpiece. So for a good machinability material, we get a good surface finish. Like steel. In case of steel, if you turn in steel material, then you can get a very good surface finish compared to the cast iron. Cast iron is a brittle type of material. In case of cast iron, and so the surface finish compared to the cast iron, you will get a better surface finish in uh, steel, even in copper. So the surface finish, good maturity means will get the good surface finish of the workpiece and surface integrity also. Another is a long tool life, means good machinery of the material that indicates that the tool life means the tools that means tools you are using for the cutting of that material was to a means long life. The tool life will be long. means इतना जल्दी टूल वायर आउट नहीं होगा. Okay. Low force is required. Force means cutting force. So, for a good machinery material, low force is sufficient for cutting the material or remove the material from the workpiece. Okay, and the power requirement. So, low force means obviously low power requirement for remove the chips for removing the material from the workpiece. And the desired chip control means you can control the chip means you can control the chip means the remove of the chips from the workpiece you can control. Okay, so this is the machinery. So this machinery is actually measured as a index that called the machinery index. So these machinery ratings or machinery index are available for each type of material and its condition. Means not only material. So these material are machining at what condition? What condition means These conditions involves machining parameters, means depth of part, feed, and uh, speed. Okay, and coolant media, means what type of cooling are you using? Okay, so these are the conditions, means cutting conditions. Now, what are the factors involved affecting the machinery of a materials? What factors are involved for the machinery of the materials? Okay, so like the material. So material means if material means materials hardness, tensile properties, strain hardenability. So all these mechanical properties of materials depends means the masculinity of a material depends on these mechanical properties of the material. Like as for example, hardness. If the hardness of the material is more, then obviously there should be less means less easy to uh, remove the chips. Even more force is required. Okay, cutting force more cutting force is required. Okay, so in that case, the masculinity index should be less. Okay, for hard material. Tensile properties. So tensile properties means strength, like a strength. So if the material have a more strength, okay, uh, like tungsten. Okay, tungsten has a more tensile strength. Okay, so in this case, the cutting force means force required to cut the material or remove the material. So this cutting force means large amount of cutting force is required to remove the material. Okay, so large amount of force required means the masonry obviously will be less. Even sometimes the chief's control and if the tensile properties and hardness, all these are more, then there may be chances of getting more wire out of the cutting tool. Means in this case, the tool life will be less. So, uh, so in this case, the masonry of that material obviously is okay. Strain hardenability. So strain hardenability means during machining of the material. Machining means removing of the material. So removing of the material from office. So removing, how you remove the material? So just so in this what type of mechanism involved? Here a shearing mechanism is involved. Shearing. So shearing is nothing but a mechanical deformation, and it is like a plastic deformation. So just see here first at that zone, a material are just deforming. Okay, and see first here the material is cutting, so like cut हो रही है. So but in this zone the material is deforming, plastically deformed हो रही है. So whenever the material is deformed plastically, then what happen? Material get strain hardened. Okay, like this. So if the material if the material deformed plastically, means beyond the elastic portion, then material get hardened. So as the material hardened, then what happened? Uh, the cutting force means force required to cut the material will increase. Okay, so in this case also the masonry of that material will be less. Okay, so all these parameters affect the masonry of metals. Okay, like hardness, tensile properties. Okay, tensile properties means both the yield strength, ultimate tensile strength, elongation means ductility. Ductility also involve means affect the masonry of the materials. Okay. Another is this so this is the properties of the material so workpiece material. Another the tool materials also depends on the masonry of the metals. Tool materials means how so if the tool materials is more hard means carbide tool are you using so it is more uh, harder tool compared to the uh, HSS steel. Okay, so means what type of tool material are you using? If you are using a very hard material, then obviously uh, you can easily machine the workpiece. Okay, so these tool materials also affect the machinability of the material. Height and shape of the tool means what type of shapes or profile are you using in the tool for machining. Okay. Another is type of machining operation. Means what type of machining operations are you performing? Like are you just performing it just a simple turning operation, or drilling operation, or threading operation? So what type of machining operations are you performing on that material? So this also this also affects the machinability. Means suppose if you are turning, if you means turning performing the turning operation, you are selecting a means a metal like suppose aluminum. So in aluminum, the turning operation is very easy. Okay, so very easily you can perform the turning operation for aluminum material. But in aluminum material, the drilling operation, even means the threading operation is difficult. Means to produce the thread for a desired pitch and teeth, teeth height, pitch, teeth are there. So all the parameters of a thread is difficult because this aluminum material have a tendency to getting stiffness. Okay, so means what type of operations are you performing on that material? This also affects the masonry of the material. Okay, like another is size, shape, and velocity of cut. Means you are using and so what type so how large the workpiece you are cutting and at for that size of workpiece material you are selecting how much of cutting speed or velocity of the car. Okay, and so you are selecting a very large specimen or giving a very small a small uh, part of speed of cutting speed, then obviously the machinery will be more means easily can be cut. But you are selecting a large size of material per piece and taking giving a high cutting speed, then means there may be chances of getting rough surface and more force is required like that. So these also the affecting factors of the machinery. So hence during a calculation of machinery index, all these affecting factors are considered. Okay. Type and quality of machine used means what type of what type of machines are using and part quality means you are using a very old lathe machine for the same material. Suppose for the same material you are using a very uh, old lathe machine. So in that case, obviously you will get a not a very good finish surface compared to a high quality like CNC lathe or means high quality machines. Okay, so this also depends on the means this also affects the masonry of the material. So that's why the masonry actually uh, that I've told in the just a few minutes ago. This depends on the some conditions. So these are the conditions are affecting factors. So during measuring the masonry of the metals, all these affecting factors are considered. And so, uh, all these factors are uh, kept constant. Okay. Quality of lubricant used in machining. So, what quality of lubricant are using? Friction between chips and control. Tearing strength of workpiece material. So this also the this is also a main affecting factor. Tearing strength. So means if the tearing strength is more, so tearing strength more means strength means this is actually resistance. Strength means resistance. So tearing strength means resistance to shear. Okay. So just few minutes ago, I have told that the cutting of the material is uh, the mechanism of cutting of material is performed by the shearing operation. So if the shearing strength of the working material is more, then there is a means more resistance to shear the material. Means more force will require to shear the material. Okay. Now one by one discuss in details. So masonry in terms of work material aspect means work is जो consider कर रहे हो. So work is material mechanical properties and the other factors. Okay, like nature means if the work is material is a brittle type or ductile type. Okay, so in case of brittle type, what happened? Brittle material. In case of brittle material, discontinuous sheaves will form. Okay, and this discontinuous sheaves, and this actually this discontinuous sheaves have a tendency to getting stick and means built up edge will the formation of built up edge in case of brittle material is more. Okay, and if the built up edge will form, then built up edge means I told in one class that this will stick the surface of the tool, and when this sticks chips will remove from the tool, then what happen? A cavity will form. So this actually build up edge. Okay, so in case of brittle material, the chances of getting a built up edge is more compared to ductile. In case of ductile material, a continuous chips will removed. But here, in case of ductile material, there is a more friction between the chips and the workpiece. So here जो friction होगी chips and the workpiece में इसमें ज़्यादा होने के chances है. So this in nature means brittle type material है और ductile type material. So this also depends on means affect the masonry of the material. Okay. Microstructure. Coarse or fine means if the microstructure is fine, then what will happen? The strength of the material will be more or less. If the more good.
More.
So if the microstructure is fine, so the strength will be more. So that means in this case the more parting force will required for the machining. Okay. That means for finding the grain structure or microstructure, the strength will increase and ductility will reduce. Okay. For soaring the grain structure, the ductility will increase and strength will reduce. Okay. So this also affects the machinability. The grain structure means more fine grain, uh, more strength there, then more force is required more to lower maybe more. Okay, either. Another is mechanical strength. So mechanical strength means fracture strength and yield strength. Means ultimate fracture means ultimate tensile strength and yield strength. So this also affect the machinery of the material. Okay. Hardness, hot strength, and hot hardness. So hardness also another affecting parameters of masonry means more hardness means obviously more cutting force is required. The tool will get means tool life will reduce. So, okay, and there may be more heat generated and the chip control cannot easily control the chip. So more hard material means the machinability may be more. Okay, machinability will be machinability will be less. Okay, work hardenability. So that I told work hardenability means during the plastic deformation material get work hardened. है ना मटेरियल और hardened हो जाती है क्यों और hardened होती है और hardened due to the pile upping of the dislocations. So dislocations pile up होती है dislocations actually the dislocation generate होती है dislocation pile up होती है and as the dislocations are pile up so those dislocations cannot move. So as the dislocations cannot move then the slip will not occur. Slip नहीं होगा and as the slip is not occurring then deform नहीं होगा. So वो जो डिसलोकेशन प्लाइड अप हो गया तो उसको मूव करने के लिए ज्यादा फोर्स की जरूरत होगी और ज्यादा फोर्स की जरूरत होगी. ठीक है तो दैट्स इज ऑन द वर्क hardenability means and you deforming the material then material get hardened. Okay. So in this in the machining of a material there are also a plastic deformation occurs so that I have uh, told just few minutes ago that during the machining, yeah, plastic deformation are occurring. So this is actually shearing of the getting shearing of the material from the workpiece. So this is also a plastic deformation. So whenever the material get plastically deformed, then at that zone the material get hardened. Okay. So if the hardenability is more, then the getting hardened of that zone will be more for that material. Okay. Means so which material have a more hardenability. Okay. So and that case more force will required for to machine the workpiece. Okay. Thermal conductivity. So this also a another affecting parameter. Thermal conductivity means if the thermal conductivity is more, then actually what happens that heat will produce due to the friction between the chips and the tool, and even the machine surface with the tool. Okay, so actually heat will generate during the machining. Okay, and that's why actually coolant is used for reducing for reducing that heat. Okay, जो heat generate होगा वो heat reduce करने के लिए coolant की जरूरत होती है. So if the thermal conductivity of the material is more, then what happens? तो जो heat generate हो रही है तो वो heat को transfer करेंगे. तो conduct means quickly uh, the material can quickly transfer the heat from the cutting zone to the नॉन कटिंग जोन मीन्स अगर सपोज यहाँ हीट जनरेट एक्चुअली इसी पर हीट जनरेट ज़्यादा होगा क्योंकि ये कॉन्टैक्ट जोन में है. ओके इसी जोन कॉन्टैक्ट जोन में if the material have a more thermal conductivity then this heat will transfer from this zone to the end of the tool. Okay. Sorry, if the cutting material of this material have a more thermal conductivity then this heat zone will transfer to the नॉन कटिंग जोन. ओके तो जो मशीनिंग हो गया ठीक है. And if this heat will transport quickly, then the tool damage means the tool life will increase. Means increments टूल इतना जल्दी वो डैमेज नहीं होगा. Okay, so this thermal conductivity also depends the affecting parameters of machinability, chemical reactivity, and stiffness or self lubricity. So these also a very important affecting parameters of machinability. Stiffness means some materials what happen during the cutting. This material will stick have a tendency to getting stick. Okay, stick with what? Stick with work tool. Okay, so if the material have a tendency to more stickiness than the both the chips and the uncut portion and cut portion, there is a tendency to in this case we will not get a better surface finish. More force will be required. So like that. So this also affect the machinability. Okay. Now tool materials. So tool material means in the previous class I have told that actually regarding the tool life. So this tool life actually depends on the tool material. Okay. If the tool material is more hardness, more strength, like a ceramic. Ceramic tool have a more strength, more hardness compared to this HSS tool. Okay, this is the carbide tool. Okay, so these ceramic tools have a more strength. So these ceramic tools have a more tool life. Okay, so this ceramic tool have a more tool life compared to this HSS steel. So if that means in ceramic tool material in ceramic tool you can employ more cutting velocity. Okay, you can employ for more cutting velocity for a for that amount of tool life. Suppose tool life you are considering a tool life a constant. Tool life constant means you are considering a that means उसी उसी टाइम तक वो टूल एक्सटेंड होगा. Okay, suppose is a constant tool life. So in this case you can employ more cutting speed, cutting velocity or speed along the y-axis. So in this case you can apply more cutting speed. Or for a constant cutting speed, the tool life is more in case of ceramic material. So these tool materials also affect the machinability of the material. Okay. So means in machining a given material, the tool life is governed mainly by the tool materials, which also influence the cutting force and temperature as well as accuracy and finish of the machine surface. The composition, microstructure, strength, hardness, toughness, wire resistance, chemical stability, and thermal conductivity of the tool material play a significant role on the machinability characteristic. So, in different degree depending upon the properties of the work material. Okay, so these properties, composition, microstructure, strength, hardness, toughness, wire resistance, uh, all these parameters of a tool material. So these properties of tool material and also affect the machinability of the material. Okay. Now, machinability in terms of process parameter aspects. And so, process parameters means like a cutting velocity, feed, and depth of cut. So, means if you increase the cutting velocity, feed, and depth of cut, then what will happen? So, if you increasing depth of cut, so means more the depth of cut, more force is required, and there is chances of getting rough surface. Okay, so and means you are giving a more depth of cut, but less high feed and a high less velocity. Then there is chances of getting rough surface, and more force, more cutting force is required in this case. So uh, these velocity, I mean these parameters, these cutting parameters, velocity, feed, and depth of cut, these also affect the machinability of the material. Okay. Depth of cut plays least significant role on the machinability. Means actually this depth of cut can be eliminated by the another two parameters like cutting speed and feed. And so suppose you are giving a more depth of cut. Suppose you are giving a more depth of cut, then there are chances of getting rough surface. But these chances of getting rough surface can be minimized or uh, can be minimized by by increasing the velocity and decreasing the feed. Okay, and say if you're decreasing the feed means this traveling of the tool. This is the feet, millimeter per revolution traveling of the tool. And this is and feet and depth of cut is means much how much depth you are giving for cutting or removing the material. So this is the depth of cut. So if you giving depth of cut is more, then there may be chances of getting rough surface. But getting this can be eliminated or minimized by the another two parameters, velocity and feed. And so by decreasing the feed and increasing the velocity. Okay. So that's why this depth of cut plays a less significant role on the machinability. Okay, इसका डेप्थ ऑफ कट की इतना सिग्निफिकेंट रोल नहीं है. ठीक है. Increasing the cutting velocity reduces the tool life, but it also reduces the cutting force. Okay, means if you increase the cutting velocity, then what happen? Tool life will reduce. Okay, tool life will reduce. Means increasing the cutting velocity, then tool life will reduce. But it also reduces the cutting force. So means reducing the tool life means there means reducing the cutting loom means machinability machinability community chances. But in this case, reducing the cutting force also. So reducing the cutting force means more machinability. Okay. For specific energy, recommend and improve surface finish through a variable uh, tip tool in interaction. So by actually increasing the cutting velocity, the means, getting by increasing the cutting velocity, we'll get a more finished surface. Okay. So increasing the velocity, getting the more finished surface and less cutting force is actually required. But tool life also decrease. So actually, uh, and these three parameters also affect the machinability. So this is actually a relative, means ultimately by increasing the cutting velocity, the machinability of the material will increase. Okay, so that's why during uh, calculation of masonry index, all these parameters have to be kept in constant. Means cutting velocity, depth of cut, feed, and another conditions. Cutting conditions have to be uh, uh, means, standard. Okay, ceramic tools performs better and uh, ceramic tools that I told, ceramic tools have more strength, more hardness compared to the HSS scale. So in these tools perform better, and in this case, higher cutting velocity can be applied. Increase in the feed erases the cutting force. So if you increase the feed, then cutting force will increase. Okay, proportionally, but reduces the specific energy requirement, means the power requirement. Sometimes power requirement also reduced. So means this also affects the messiness of the material. Cutting temperature. Cutting temperature is also less affected by increase in heat than cutting velocity. Now some environmental aspects. With respect to environmental aspects, the basic purpose of employing the cutting fluid is to improve the messiness characteristics of any work tool pair through. And so, cutting environmental aspect means at which environment are you machining? Using a cutting fluid or not? Means at a room temperature or at a high temperature. So, what environment are you cutting? At what environment? Mainly applying cutting fluid are employed. So if the cutting fluid employed, so in this case, the machinability will improve, and this machinability will improve through improving the tool life by cooling and lubrication. So by if you use the lubrication and cooling lubrication, so lubrication sometimes lubrication uh, mm, lubrications are performed the both to to reduce the friction between the surface and the tool, and sometimes this lubrication also used as a coolant. Okay, means cutting fluid. So cutting fluid is करेंगे. So this cutting fluid will uh, uh, use the two purposes, like to reduce the friction and as a coolant purpose. Okay, reducing the cutting force and a specific energy consumption. So means uh, if the friction between the tool and arc is reduced, then obviously the cutting force can be minimized or reduced. And if the cutting force reduced, then the energy consumption, the specific energy consumption also reduced. So also can be reduced. Improving surface integrity by cooling. So means this cutting fluid, by using this cutting fluid, the surface roughness, the surface integrity can be improved. Okay, lubricating and cleaning of the cutting zone can be improved. So by this way, the machinability of the material can be improved by using the cutting fluid or coolant. The favorable rules of cutting fluid application depends not only its proper selection based on work and tool material. Okay, so this actually the cutting fluid application means, not only depends on the selection regarding based on the workpiece and tool material, a uh, and the type of the machining process, but it also depends on its rate of flow. Means how much rate are you applying the cutting fluid. Okay, and so this you are applying the cutting fluid for cooling and lubrication purpose, reducing the and they perform as a reducing the cutting force, improving the surface integrity, um, uh, surface finish, finishing. Okay, and this applying of this cutting fluid actually depends not only the material, office material, and the type of tool and cutting process, means cutting condition. This also depends on the rate of flow, means how much rate are you applying the cutting fluid, means कटिंग फ्लूइड अप्लाई करने मीन्स एक ऑप्टिमम रेट होती है, ज़्यादा रेट भी नहीं होना चाहिए एंड कम रेट भी नहीं होना चाहिए, एंड डायरेक्शन एंड लोकेशन ऑफ द एप्लीकेशन, मीन्स which direction are you applying this cutting fluid. Okay, and so uh, जो काट हो रही है और जिस डायरेक्शन में चिप रिमूव हो रही है उसी डायरेक्शन में अप्लाई कर रही हूँ ना, उसका अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में मैं कर रहा हूँ। अगर तो जिस डायरेक्शन में चिप अप्लाई हो रही है अगर उसी डायरेक्शन में अप्लाई करूँगा तो these chips actually the removal of these chips cannot be easily controlled, means disturbed होगा। Okay, so which direction are you applying this cutting fluid and location of the application, means कहाँ मैंने वो cutting fluid अप्लाई कर रहा हूँ, जहाँ हीट जोन हीट जनरेट हो रही हो वहाँ कर रहा हूँ ना, और कोई प्लेस में मैं लोकेशन में कर रहा हूँ। ओके, now evolution of masonry factors. So this evolution depends on factors like tool life, uh, form and size of the chip, and shear angle, and how much the tool's life extend. So this is the tool life. So this also this is the factors for regulating the masonry. Form and size of the chips and shear angle, cutting forces and power consumption. Okay, I am taking or 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, cutting force and power consumption means how much cutting forces are required and how much power consumptions uh, losses. So this also the factors for evaluating the machinability. Surface finish means surface finish मेजर, so surface finish actually measure किया जाता है, means how a surface finish is better or rough or whatever. Okay, so and cutting temperature कितनी हो रही है, अगर ज़्यादा होगा तो then machinery index will be less. Okay, and machinery will be more. And machinery index and machinery is just a reverse. I'm telling you. These factors to life, form and size of the chips removables of size कितनी है, form means continuous chips और discontinuous chips और threaded type of chips रिमूव हो रही है, सीआर एंगल कितनी है, फोर्स रिक्वायर्ड कितनी है, सरफेस फिनिश जो मेरे वो कितना बेटर मिल रही है, surface finish a measure you can measure the surface finish how better or um, good surface finish or rough, ठीक है, कटिंग टेम्परेचर कितनी हो रही है, मटेरियल रिमूवल रेट कितनी है। ओके, रेट ऑफ कटिंग अंडर स्टैंडर्ड फोर्स मीन्स अप्लाइंग स्टैंडर्ड फोर्स का रेट ऑफ कटिंग कितनी है। ओके, डायमेंशनल एक्यूरेसी मीन्स जो सरफेस जो प्रोडक्ट मिली है उसका डायमेंशनल एक्यूरेसी कितनी है। तो ऑल दीज फैक्टर्स आर इन्वॉल्व फॉर इवोल्यूटिंग द मैचिनेबिलिटी। नाउ मैचिनेबिलिटी इवोल्यूशन कैसे करूँगा, इवोल्यूशन ऑफ मैचिनेबिलिटी डिक्रीजेस विथ इंक्रीज इन टेंसाइल स्ट्रेंथ एंड हार्डनेस। टेंसाइल स्ट्रेंथ एंड हार्डनेस अगर ज़्यादा होगी तो मैचिनेबिलिटी विल डिक्रीज। Actually, the material is assessed by any of the following: a tool life, limiting material removal rate, And so this maturity actually, maturity of the material is assessed by any one of the following. That means either full life or limiting material removal rate और कटिंग फोर्स मीन्स कितना कटिंग फोर्स आ रही है, ज़्यादा हो रही कि नहीं, सरफेस फिनिश मीन्स अगर सरफेस फिनिश ज़्यादा होगी तो मैक्सिमिलिटी इज मीन्स मैक्सिमिलिटी अच्छी है, अगर टू लाइफ पे ज़्यादा है तो मैक्सिमिलिटी अच्छी है, अगर लिमिट कटिंग फोर्स ज़्यादा है तो मैक्सिमिलिटी लेस लाइक दैट चीप सेफ. So this are the by any one of these you can assess the masonry of the material. Now masonry index. So masonry index is defined as VT by here and multiplied 100 to get the percentage. So VT means the cutting speed of metal. Means if we are considering the cutting speed, so this is actually cutting speed of metals for 1 minute. Sometimes it is 20 minutes. Some are written as 20 minutes. So this VT means cutting speed of metal for 20 minutes to life, and VS is the cutting speed of a standard pre-cutting steel. And so this is the cutting speed for a standard specimen. Okay, for the same tool life. Okay, and so VS actually the cutting speed for a standard specimen, and VT is the cutting speed for that material. And so जिसको मैक्सिमिलिटी टेस्ट करनी है. Okay, for 20 for either 20 minute to life or 1 minute to life. This is constant for both the cases. Okay, so this is the masonry index like this. So from this masonry index, you can get the information that which material have a more masonry. So like this, SS less masonry means stainless steel less masonry compared to the copper, compared to the copper, aluminum, and magnesium alloys. Okay, so that means so which is the meaning or indication from this masonry index. So that means SS for SS material, stainless steel material, more force is required. Okay, less material machinery index means less force is required. Sorry, more force is required. Less surface finish will get. Tool life also less. Okay, the chief removal control also less compared to the material which has a more machinability, like copper and aluminum or whatever. Okay. So I think to understand what is the what do you mean by masonry index? Masonry index more means more the surface finish, less the power consumption, less the force required to cut, uh, and the मैंने parameter बताया था and the surface finish more the surface finish. Chips removal can be easy, and the tool life is more. Okay. Now, some possible ways of improving the masonry. How can you improve the masonry? So, favorable change in composition, microstructure, mechanical properties by mixing the suitable type of amount of additives. Okay, so means by editing some additives, we can change the composition, microstructure, and mechanical properties. And by changing these mechanical properties, you can increase the masonry of the material. And sometimes by heat treatment, you can also improve the masonry. By heat treatment means like annealing, the coarse grain size will be more coarser, and the masonry index will be mm, more. Okay. Proper selection and use of the cutting tool material and the geometry depending upon the work material. Means depending upon the work material, you have to select the proper cutting tool material and the geometry of the cutting tool material. Geometry means the different angles that I told in the previous class. Okay. optimum selection of the cutting velocity, cutting conditions like cutting velocity, feed, and depth of cut based on the tools and the workpiece. So means based on the tool and workpiece, you have to select the appropriate cutting conditions like cutting velocity, feed, and depth of cut. And by this way, you can improve the machinability. Okay. Proper selection and appropriate method of the application of the cutting fluid. And so cutting fluid जो apply करूँगा उसका proper cutting fluid selection करनी है and the appropriate method of application से direction flow so किस direction में मैंने cutting fluid apply करूँगा and at a part flow rate किस flow rate में मैंने वो apply करूँगा. This also by selecting this suitable cutting fluid and the method of application of this cutting fluid also can be by this way you can improve the machinability of the material. Okay. Proper selection and application of the special techniques. The special techniques like dynamic machining, hot machining, cryogenic machining. Hot machining means at a high temperature. Cryogenic machining means at a lower means negative temperature. Okay. So negative temperature means in this case the ductile material can behave like a brittle material. So ductile to brittle transaction जो होती है, ठीक है. Hot machining means some brittle material can behave like a ductile material. So this is brittle to ductile transactions. So, okay. So like this. So by this way you can improve the machinability of the material. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Any query?
No, sir.
Okay. Means, have you understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good.